Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing 5 shortcuts that I use regularly on my Mac. Okay, so suppose if you have a folder open and when you place the cursor on the edge of the folder or the corner, you see the double arrow where you can drag and make it, you can shrink the folder or make it bigger. Now, if you want to maximize the right side of the screen, you don't have to drag it till the end of the screen. You can simply place the cursor on the edge and double click it, which will occupy the right side of the screen. You can also do it diagonally and see, so you can see the difference, right? So this is one shortcut that I use regularly. And the next one is uh, you don't have to keep going to the menu bar and click on the search button here to get the spotlight search. Instead, you can just hit Command Spacebar to get the spotlight search. This is one of the useful shortcuts that I found. And there are cases where you might want to archive your emails. I'll do it on notes here. So to do that, simply hold on to Control Command and the letter A, which will archive your note or the email that you're sending. Now, there are cases where you might want to send emojis or symbols. So to access the character viewer, you don't have to go every time to the spotlight search and search for it. To access it, you have to simply hold on to Control, Command, and Spacebar, where you will get your character viewer and you can get multiple symbols and emojis that you could use over text. And the last but not the least, uh, suppose when you're registering for something on a website, most of them ask for your email IDs, and you might be lazy to type your email IDs, but you can replace small text to get the email ID as well. To do that, go to System Preferences, go to Keyboard, go to Text, and here you'll have two columns, Replace and With. So on the Replace column, you'll have to mention a small text which would replace a larger text. So click on the plus button here, and let's say I add the simple hash hash, and I want it to replace my email ID every time I type double hash, right? So I've entered my email ID here. As soon as you do that, click on the plus button here, which will get updated. Now let's try it out and see. Hash hash, and when I hit the enter key, it's replaced with my email ID. So this is one shortcut that you could use as well. So I hope you learned 5 shortcuts that I use regularly on a Mac. Thank you.